That's Crocs. How long is this hike? 1 mile? I feel like it's gonna break. What's this place called?
Wahclella Falls.
Wahclella?
Yeah, I think so. What are we doing here today, Taylor?
We are going to Wahclella Falls. We're gonna go check out Wahclella Falls.
Yes.
I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a really beautiful waterfall, and it's a beautiful day. But we don't get out enough, and we need to get out more. So, come along with us.
What do you see when you look at all this stuff, Taylor?
What do I see when I look at all this? Kind of hard to put into words, but I see a piece of God. It's kind of hard to believe that someone who loves us more than this, while we're smaller than this, but he holds all this together, which is kind of crazy to think about. Because it's a lot.
It is.
What? A tree. This is insane.
Oh, holy crap.
This thing's huge. It's a cool tree, bro. I don't know. That is a massive tree, dude. I can't even argue that. Now, this is kind of sketchy.
Yeah, trail's fun.
I would not bring my kid up here. It looks really sick on the phone too. It's like normal sounds. Spider. Yeah, they pass or something. Stand like that and I'll get a picture of you.
Yeah, sure.
That looks sick, that basketball. Crazy, bro. That's a long ways down.
Doesn't look like it on camera, but it is,
It is.
a straight drop down.
That's a few hundred feet.
At least. I don't know why you're so scared, Taylor.
What? I'm not scared of anything.
Yeah, it's only like 100 feet down right there.
Big, strong, brave man. Let's wait for these people to pass so we have time on the bridge.
Oh, wow.
See the people over here? Yeah. Cuties, dude, yeah. It's so fun.
There's Taylor walking back like ET into the cave.
Well, look at the trail that we're going to do tomorrow. See how it is. It'll be better everywhere.
I was honestly terrified. I knew that with the drone we were going to be able to capture something really cool, kind of coasting in over the water and the logs and stuff to kind of get something cinematic, but I wasn't sure I was going to go, honestly. It's the DJI Neo and it's tiny, so I feel like any little breeze could kind of knock it out of the air. So honestly, flying over the water had me scared a little bit, but the shots I was able to capture with it are just breathtaking. It seemed like, yeah, I feel like the footage we were able to get was just like crystal clear, nice and smooth, and honestly didn't have a problem. I think it all kind of lies in with how nervous I was to fly it.
Yeah. Turned out really good though.
Yeah, I'm excited.
So, this video that we did today is for a channel and a Facebook page that Tyler and I are starting called Adventure Bros. And I guess to give a little context and clarity about what the channel is going to be about is Tyler and I both believe in Jesus. We are followers of Jesus and we love God. And we want to absorb and soak in God's creation as much as we can while we are here on earth, because we both heavily believe that God wants us to enjoy life while we're here. So we just want you guys to like tag along. You can live vicariously through us. We're going to go on all sorts of adventures, and today's just the start. And there's a lot of beautiful places to explore. And I think that God has made a beautiful creation in general in many, many places that a lot of us would probably love. And Tyler and I really want to experience those places, but we want to take you guys with us. So yeah, that's why we're doing this. And I just hope that you guys can tag along. There's a drop. We're on our way back. We're a long ways down, bro. Oh no. I know. It is an awesome trail. It's a very narrow trail, so anyone who hasn't been here, just keep in mind. It is narrow and it is a long drop.